one, and it involves
Where you going, man?
taking out and inappropriate health facilities. If
To
we're
Galveston
to stay
Avenue.
pure
Jill
on
Van
this,
Let's head out of
and
here.
Them
focus
booty
on
cutters?
turning this
I'd do
country
something special
into
with
an
that.
aggressive
I hear
and
you.
limited access paradise, then listeners, you're going to need to start by avoiding romance novels, any machinery that vibrates, hand soap, baby oil, baby soap, hand oil, the internet, okay? Jumper cables, what are the trampolines? President.
I have a great idea, and I've tried it at home. It works. I have
Man
four
down.
wonderful darling babies.
4 babies! Well, you hear that, America? Another of Bastion's buddies making little soldiers to fight this culture war. That's great.
My babies are cats.
Wait, cats?
I've named them after patriarchal influences. I'm drawing my inspiration from my kitties.
Oh, okay, nobody wants to hear about your stupid, useless pussies. God, what has happened to radio? I mean, to this city, to this world. I cannot wait to be judged, because I'm going to be okay. I already know that. I know that because I have secrets to keep within me, okay? And if you keep them bottled inside of you, then you get to release them in heaven. Because right now on this earth, my secrets are the only thing that keep me on heaven's path. Now, most of you a lot of you are screwed, and rightfully so. Okay, we've gotten into the PC mode of like, hey, we're all the same, we're all equal, man. Hey, women can do anything.
Here we
men
are.
Can do.
It's a wrap.
You
Thanks.
have Adam's apples.
Shit.
Yeah, right? Yeah, sure. BS. Okay, I don't shop on.